In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently copy a TradingView chart. Whether you're looking to replicate a chart from the community, save your personal chart layout, or capture the chart's visual appearance, I've got you covered with these straightforward steps. First, let's explore how to copy a community-shared chart. Start by navigating to the Community tab on TradingView. Here you'll find a section for trade ideas, but you can also use the search bar to pinpoint a specific instrument you're interested in. Once you've found a chart that catches your eye, hover over it or click to reveal additional options. You'll see a share icon. Click on it to open a share window. In this window, look for the option labeled Make It Mine. Selecting this will add the chart to your own saved charts, making it part of your personal collection. This function is particularly useful if you frequently find inspiration in the community and want to adapt those ideas to your strategies. Next, if you need to copy a chart layout that you've created or modified, you should begin by saving your current chart. Navigate to the top of the chart where you'll find the Save icon. Click this to ensure your hard work is preserved. Then proceed to save the layout by clicking on the layout name. You might see something like Short-Term Investing, for example. From there, choose Save Layout and assign it a new name that you'll easily remember. Once you've saved the layout, you can duplicate it. Click on the layout name again and you'll notice an option to copy. Select this and voila, you have a duplicated layout that you can modify to suit your evolving trading perspectives. This can be particularly useful for creating multiple versions of a strategy without altering your original setup. Lastly, if your goal is to share or save the chart's appearance as an image, you'll need to use the camera icon. This is found at the top right corner of your chart. Clicking on it allows you to generate an image of your current chart view. You have two options here. You can either save the image directly to your computer or copy it to your clipboard. Both options enable you to share the visual elements as a static picture, which is great for presentations or discussions with peers who might not have access to your TradingView account. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to copy a TradingView chart. By utilizing these features, you can effectively manage and share your charting activities, staying organized, and keeping your trading insights intact. Stick around for more tips and tricks to enhance your TradingView experience.